In this video, I'm going to show you how to identify a high-quality A+ setup that can give you up to a 100% win rate. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel for a more detailed video. Now, let's get into the video. Here is a clear moving uptrend because the price is making higher highs and higher lows, and we want to trade in the direction of the market. You identified the key level of support here because of these reversal point. Again, you have your trend line placed, which crosses through the support level you identified. You then have your moving average that also meets the trend line perfectly at this point. This way increasing the quality of the trade setup. Finally, you are going to grab the fib tool and click starting from the swing low here and drag it up to the recent swing high. As you can see, the 50% fib retracement level also lines up perfectly with the trend line, support and resistance, and as well, the moving average. In this way, creating an area of confluence. When the price reached this level, we had multiple long wick candles forming and failing to break through, which shows a reaction to the area of confluence and then confirms the trade setup. And you will start looking for a long trade entry opportunity. Because at this area of confluence, all the different forms of traders are looking to take action. First, you had support and resistance traders looking to take long trade. You had moving average traders looking to take long trade, trend line traders looking to take long trade, then candlestick and price action traders looking to take long trade, trend traders looking to take long trade, confluence traders looking to take long trade, and then finally, you had Fibonacci traders looking to take long trade. At this point, if you decide and enter a long trade, I think you will have high chances of the trade going in your favor, which means that this is a high-quality long trade entry setup. Not a long time ago, I've been using the Fairdesk Smooth trading platform to trade cryptocurrency. As you guys know, I'm a cryptocurrency and a Forex trader. You can see that I have over $5,000 deposited into the Fairdesk crypto exchange. You can see that I have actually traded BTC and some of these altcoins. Fairdesk Crypto Exchange has got a lot of crypto assets available over there for you to trade. With these big YouTubers using Fairdesk Exchange to trade their crypto assets. Fairdesk Exchange is an accurate copy trading platform. And if you want to earn some passive income in crypto trading and you don't want to trade, or maybe you don't have the time to trade, or you don't virtually know how to trade, just click on the link in the description below and head on over to Fairdesk to create your fresh account. Fund your account and copy my trades. Here's the cool thing about Fairdesk Crypto Exchange. If you are in United States, Germany, and some of these limited countries that have been out there, you can actually get into Fairdesk Exchange with no KYC, no VPN required. The good thing is that it is available to you right now. The simplicity of the crypto exchange, I think, is a big part of the Fairdesk Crypto Exchange. So if you're just getting into trading, or you want to try something out, just check out Fairdesk Crypto Exchange and try to use our link in the description below. And of course, it gives you a little bit of a discount, so go there. Now, if you are interested in learning more about advanced concepts, strategies, entry reasons, and how to stay disciplined with a trading plan, please click the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.